everybody, it's Marie too. First of all, I want to wish you a happy new year. I wish you nothing but success, love, and prosperity, and more traveling, more happiness, and more love, as I said. So today, since it's the new year, I decided to reset my space, reset my intentions. So today I'm going to clean my house. I know my mother's gonna be happy about that. I'm gonna clean my room, gonna clean the kitchen, and gonna clean the bathroom just to, start the year with a beautiful house, clean, calm, and yeah, I decided to film it because sometimes people like to see people clean. So if you wanna see me clean, reset my space, keep on watching.
A little bit stronger. Oh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh yeah. And you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. So why even bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna hurt me, coward, I'm getting bored. 'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Oh, yeah. This is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. You think it was all up to you. Give me some space, I don't care what you do. And give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight. Time to time, before you do anything stupid, think before you speak your mind. 'Cause I am on a roll, yeah, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for, right? Oh yeah. This is what we gonna do. Oh, you never come clean and you never come through, yeah. Oh, you're looking so surprised how you could do me like that. It was all up to you. Oh, give me some space, I don't care what you do. Give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight. I'm gonna leave it all behind. I won't let him get into my mind, no. No, yeah. He thinks he can, he's a man. Oh, won't let it steal away my shine now. Get up and try again. Oh, I won't let him get into my mind, no. Oh, he thinks he can, 'cause he's a man, but he is just a boy.
Thank you guys for helping me get my things together, things in order. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what video you would like to see from me in the new year, and what is one of your resetting habits that you want to implement in your life. With that said, I'm gonna leave you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
If you're thinking about